Okay then guys, today we are making creamed courgette gratin, and it's almost like a leftovers type dish. So I got a couple of courgettes, not quite sure how many I'm going to use yet. Some cheese, I got a bit of red Leicester, some cheddar, extra mature cheddar actually, butter, a couple of eggs, and some double cream and some Greek yogurt, or you can use crème fraiche. Hot off the press, guys. Stay tuned to the end. I just received the Gremlins critique on this dish and the Glamorgan sausages from the other day. Let's see what they think at the end, eh? Here we go. I'm going to serve these up in two little gratin dishes, so that's why I'm saying I'm not sure if I want 2 or 3 courgettes. But the first thing I'm going to do is grate the cheese, and you don't want to see me do that, so I'll be back in a second. There we are, that's the cheese all done. So on with a pan, bit of heat, big knob of butter, and while that's melting, I'm going to slice the courgettes. So I'll slice them, peel them and dice them, and peeler. Like I said, I'm not quite sure how many I want really. Doesn't matter if you leave a little bit of skin on. These are nice and clean, these are from my allotment. This yellow one's a Soleil. And I'll get this one finished. Yeah, a little bit. And this one is an Albero. Yes, I'm going to do the summer squash. This is a Zephyr, again from my allotment. I'm going to soft enough to be a courgette, but I'll probably take the seeds out if I can get to them. They're in the green end, so yeah, they'll be all right. Yeah, that'll do. I'm just going to chop these up quite small, stick them in the pan. Let's try something different. There we are. Okay, get them all coated in butter and cooking down. About 10 minutes and they go nice and soft. Meanwhile, I'll just grease these. I suppose they are gratin dishes. Bought them ages ago. Don't think they really need greasing. They're just old habits again. Okay, I reckon that'll do, guys. Right, just going to blitz these down. Take the heat off. Plug my blitzer in. Plastic one, don't worry, I've made that mistake before. Just getting rid of most of the big bits really. Let that cool down a bit. Oven preheating at, where are we? 180. Okay, got a mixing bowl. A couple of eggs. Double cream. Now I'm playing this by ear, but let's have 2 of them to start off with. 3. 3 tablespoons. And some Greek yogurt. Lovely. 3 of them as well, I reckon. Salt and pepper to taste. Be careful with that because this is going up to the Gremlins house tomorrow as well. Okay, so in with the courgette puree. That looks well mixed up. I don't know if this will do 2 dishes or not. Yes, it will. I'll make it do 2 dishes. Don't want it to be too thick, do we? Gratins aren't too thick. I reckon that's just about perfect, you know. I may have said it before, but I'm getting good at this cooking, Larry. The cheese on top, maybe too much cheese here, but a gratin's all about the cheese, isn't it? Save that for later. And in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. I'll come back after 20 minutes and check on them. Well, there we are, guys. That was just under 30 minutes in the oven. It was just about ready at 20 minutes, but I wanted the top to go a little bit more golden. So maybe cook it at 200. Let's have a quick zoom in there and you know what's coming next, don't you? Oh, I'm glad I greased the bowl now. It's coming away lovely, look. That is going to be so blooming hot, guys. Oh yeah. That is blooming delicious. Who'd have thought, honestly, who'd have thought that courgettes could taste so good? And the other one is already cooling downstairs, and that's going up to the Gremlins tomorrow. And I think this is another way to fool kids into eating vegetables.
Taste test. Taste test.
What are we thinking, guys?
Cheesy. Cheesy? I don't know. I want to eat it tomorrow. I don't like it.
What would you rate it out of 10?
Mom.
What are you not sure of? Go on then.
I rate it a 3.
Okay, Cara, what about you? What out of 10? What do you reckon?
And I go 6. And I put this in a bit. 6.
Harry, what do you reckon out of 10? What number? I'd say probably like a 9 or 10 because he's going in for seconds. Olivia, what about you? What do you reckon?
Nice. Not too many.
Probably like a 5-ish 4 because it's cheesy, but I don't. It just take the other bits just taste.
Something you're not sure of. Okay. What's Harry's verdict? What do you reckon, Harry?
Do you like it? Yeah. Yeah, he loves it.
Harry loves it. Taste test number 2.
This test.
Harry, going to take a bite? What do you think? Rowan's not sure.
I love it.
Harry loves it. Olivia, what do you think?
It kind of looks like a sausage roll.
Yeah? What about you, Kai? What do you think?
10.
10? Love it. Rowan, what number for you?
5.
I don't like this.
Okay. Did you like it though, Harry? Thumbs up or thumbs down for Grampy? What do you reckon?
Thumbs down.
Oh.
Do you not like it? No.
Oh, I thought you loved it. Say bye.
Brilliant. Hope you like this one. Catch you on the next recipe.